In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Messages on Android. Maybe you've switched to a different messaging app, or you just don't want Google Messages running in the background anymore. Whatever your reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can cleanly disable it on your phone. First, unlock your Android device and head to your home screen. What we're looking for is the Settings app. This is usually represented by a gear icon. If you don't see it right away, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open your app drawer. Then scroll until you find Settings and tap to open it. Inside Settings, you'll want to scroll down until you see the section that controls your apps. Depending on your phone, this might be called Apps, Apps and Notifications, or Application Manager. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where Android lists all the apps installed on your device. Once you're in the Apps section, you may see a list of your recently used apps first. Look for an option like See All Apps or App List to show everything. Now, scroll down through the list until you find Messages or Google Messages. The icon is usually a blue chat bubble. When you've found it, tap on it to open the app info screen. Here you'll see details about the Messages app, like storage, permissions, and notifications. To effectively turn it off, there are a couple of key options. If your phone allows it, you may see a Disable button. Tapping Disable will turn off the app, prevent it from running, and hide it from your app drawer. Confirm any prompts that appear. Just keep in mind that on some phones, particularly if Messages is set as a system or default app, you might not see Disable. In that case, you can choose Force Stop to stop it from running, and then adjust its permissions and notifications. If you want to make sure the app doesn't bother you, tap on Notifications and switch them off. This will prevent new message alerts from popping up. You can also go back and open permissions, then turn off things like SMS, contacts, or phone access if your device lets you, which further limits what the app can do in the background. After you've disabled, force stopped, or silenced the app, press the Home button and check your app drawer. If it's disabled, Messages should no longer appear. At this point, you can rely on your alternative messaging app, and Google Messages will stay out of the way unless you manually re-enable it from the same settings screen.